Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically save passwords in Chrome without asking. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your Chrome. Once you open your Chrome, then you'll have to click on the three vertical dots icon at the top right corner of your screen right beside your profile picture. Once you click on that, a bar opens up giving you various options. You may scroll down through that bar, and then here at the second to the last, you can see the settings option right above the exit option. You may click on the settings option. This will directly take you to your Chrome settings. Once you're here, then you will have to go to the left side of your screen where you're given various options. You'll have to click on the autofill and password option on the second. Once you click on that, then you'll have to click on the Google Password Manager option right below the autofill and password title. Once you click on that, on the left side of your screen again, you can see you're given various options. You'll have to click on the third option, which is settings. You may click on that. Once you click on this, then here you can see the top two options. You'll have to make sure that the top two options are turned on. The top two options are to offer to save password and to sign in automatically. You'll have to make sure that these are turned on. To make sure these are turned on, you'll have to click on the button next to them and make sure they're highlighted in blue. This will simply indicate that they're turned on. Once they're turned on, they will make sure that your password are automatically saved. This is how you can easily automatically save passwords in Chrome without asking. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.